how to change DNS settings on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our desktop. And once we are now on the desktop, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for settings. Once you click that, just click open. And then on this part, just click network and internet. And then in this part, you will see this advanced network settings. So just click on that part right there. And then on this part, on the network adapters, just choose the internet or Wi-Fi that you are using. So in my case, this is the internet that I'm using. So I'm going to click this one right here. Now in this part, click view additional properties. And then you will see this DNS server assignment. Now all you have to do is to, of course, click edit. And then on this part, all you have to do is to convert it from automatic into manual. And then after that, you can now put the IPv4 and then IPv6, and then just put your preferred DNS right there, and then click save. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to change DNS settings on Windows 11.